Hi friends. Today we are going to make a glove in easy steps. We need just a plastic carry bag or plastic covers. Just cut the carry bag's handles. Then cut its square shapes. We need 2 layers for the glove. Then take a cardboard and make sketches of our palm on it. Just put your hand on it and mark it first. Then we can cut it by using a scissors. Kindly give some extra spaces before cutting. Then you can cut it and place it over the trimmed plastic carry bag sheets. After cut the 2 layers of carry bag, place it on the table and just place the cardboard we already cut as the shape of our palm. Then fold the edges comfortably so that we can make it join together as we see in the video. Then you just do it to the entire region as we folded seen in the video. Then separate both. Then you can see the gloves. We can use it as a makeshift one. These are ideal for emergency situations. You can use thick plastic Pampers or Snuggie covers as well for making gloves. They are more comfortable and lasting. Just see. This is just a helping hand only. How is the video, friends? If you like, just subscribe and press the bell icon. We will be back with more videos soon. Thanks.